What's Flower doing? I have to see what she's up to. Let me go to the parking lot where I parked my car. Somebody stole my car. Never mind. I have to find her. Oh, there she is. Flower. Flower. Could have sworn I saw her. Flower. No, not here. Flower. Flower Annie. Whoa. Flower. I'm starting to get really worried. Flower. Girl, where the heck are you? Oh my god, she's right there. Hopefully she won't notice me if she walks right by me. Please, just walk right by me and not see me. Please. Please. Where the heck is she? I didn't see her in the car. What is this? I don't know if I remember much about this place. I think I've been here before though when Sarah kidnapped me. Oh my god. 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 It's Flower. What's she doing here?
Oh, I know. I already checked the police station. There's no one there. But it's Joe.
What's Flower doing here? Hopefully she won't see me. And she makes me do parkour. She's not. She's leaving. I have to follow her.
Do we hear someone? Guess not.
I have to follow her. Flower. Please don't. She better not be hiding anything from me.
Ah, shoot, I forgot my gun.
What? She mentioned having a gun.
Okay, I got my gun. Put it away.
She mentioned having a gun. What was that about?
Can you make sure no one's coming in?
I have to follow her. Where's she going? We can find out where the way out is. Where the heck did she go? She's leaving. Gotta follow this car. Gotta run after it. I'm gonna cut her off. Gotta stop her for whatever she's doing. She mentioned having a gun. Oh my god. She could have stopped. She could have saw me. She could have saw me. Oh my god.
I'm here right now.
There's a...
He's gone. He's not here right now.
Oh my god. I better go. I'm gonna watch her on top. What is she up to? Why would she hide this from me? What I don't get is why she would hide this from me. Should
He's defending. What are you doing here?
What I want to know is what you're doing. Annie. What I want to know is what you're doing.
Sorry, gotta go.
I found my car. It's over there. Got chased after her. Okay, I might be driving through the freaking cemetery. I don't care. I gotta find Flower and talk to her. If I could find her, because if she's gonna keep stuff from me, I won't be her best friend. And she promised she would never keep stuff from me again. I cannot believe she's keeping this from me. Oh, she's robbing the dang bank. I gotta stop her. She better not be at that dang secret base again. That was so hard to get in there. Oh, where is it? Here it is. Thankfully, I know stuff now.
Yeah, boss, I got it. I'll just leave it on the table for when you get back. Okay, bye. Why are you here?
What I want to know is what you're doing. And why you have to keep it so...
I can't tell you.
Why can't you tell me?
I can't.
I want the truth.
I can't.
Why? Why is it such a huge secret?
Because if I tell you, we may die.
Wow, and you promised me years ago that you would never keep a secret from me.
Wait, Marigold.
What?
If I tell you, we might die.
Tell me right now. Just tell me.
I can't.
Flower, tell me.
I can't.
Tell me.
You've got to trust me.
I can't. I can't trust you if you're gonna keep these huge secrets from me. I'm your best friend, and you should not be keeping secrets from me.
Why don't you understand? If I tell you, we will die.
How will we die if you told me? I keep secrets.
They will hunt us down.
How? How will it hunt us down if you tell me?
There's literally cameras in here.
Whatever. Just whatever.
I'll tell you at the apartment.
Let's go up the stairs and see what you have to tell me. Flower, are you coming?
I'm right here.
I mean, girl, we've been friends for like even more than that. Like, hold on. "12 years now, probably.
Well, do you promise this will be my friend if I tell you?
It depends on what it is.
The reason I've been keeping this secret is because I work for